Hey everyone! Today's video will feature home DIY projects from some of the most talented YouTubers we've ever seen. These projects are perfect for the spring 2019 season. Latina Next Door shows us the first DIY project, which includes a farmhouse succulent wall planter. She created this amazing planter as a way of doing the $5 Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hillary of Old World Home. All of these items purchased were for under $5 from the Goodwill store. She uses of all things an old cheese box, foam, and succulents to create this gorgeous wall design. We love how she managed to repurpose this old cheese box into a rustic farmhouse design project perfect for the spring 2019 season. DIY number 2 comes from Bargain Bethany, who features a project perfect for those getting ready for Easter. For this tiered Easter-themed project, she uses a few items from the Dollar Tree, including pizza pans, pie pancakes, and a host of other items in order to get into the festive spirit. We love Bargain Bethany's creative design, and we can't wait to try it out for Easter. Coming in at number 3 is a craft created by Crafts by Kaylin. She also uses Dollar Tree items to craft up something amazing, which includes a spring bird-themed Titarium. She uses a candlestick holder, a tall glass container, all to create this amazing design perfect for acting as a centerpiece for your coffee or dining room table. Coming in at number 4, our next DIY farmhouse project features a fun cow mug tier tray. This fun tray is perfect for holding simple items in the kitchen, such as tea or coffee, and can be a refreshing way to add the right touch of spring in a fun and playful way. She uses a combination of candlestick holders, a cow mug, and a tray to create this stunning design, with most of the items, of course, coming from the Dollar Tree store. And last but not least, we have two creative DIYs from YouTuber Measure and Mix. Most of these designs have an Easter theme, and much like the other YouTubers, she uses Dollar Tree items to create these stunning pieces, perfect for displaying around the house during the Easter season. The first project she creates is an adorable bunny tray complete with decorative Easter eggs. For the second craft, she uses a fun Easter sign ideal for welcoming guests during the Easter celebrations. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed these fun DIYs. Be sure to check out the YouTubers mentioned and their channels for more of their creations. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.